Hi, I'm Louise Temple, and I'm in the Department of Integrated Sciences here at James Madison University. And what I want to tell you about is a very exciting course that we have here at JMU and at a number of schools around the nation that gets freshmen and other interested students involved in original research. Originally, this was sponsored by Howard Hughes Medical Institute, and their idea was that we should give early students more fun things to do, and that might keep them in science longer, or they might choose science careers at a higher rate. So this idea of this course is that the students are able to bring in soil from almost anywhere, and in it they find their own viruses, and these are viruses that don't hurt anybody. They're viruses that actually infect bacteria. And so they're able to get their very own virus. There are 10 to the 31st of these viruses on Earth, so we have no problem running out of viruses. We'll always have plenty for the number of students that come around. They actually can find the DNA in these viruses and look at them under transmission electron microscopy and get to see what they look like. And often they look like little spaceships, and they're really rather cute. So that's an exciting thing for the students to get to see these viruses. In the second semester of the course, we have one genome sequenced, and then the students get to learn bioinformatics and determine where the genes are, and then they can see whether this virus looks like other viruses that have been isolated. But it will always be somewhat unique, and it might be very unique actually. So our criteria at JMU for choosing students is that they're just plain interested, and so we don't have any prerequisites, or they don't have to have done research before. They just have to think research might be a cool and fun thing to do. So we have different majors. They're mostly science majors, but we've had other majors as well, and we have honors students in the course as well, and some of them have done extra work to get honors credit for this course, or they just take it for fun like the rest of the students. So the course is going on at JMU even without the Howard Hughes funding, although we will always be part of the Howard Hughes family with regard to this study. It was really an educational experiment for Howard Hughes to see if this kind of work would increase the number of biomedical career-oriented students. And so we have recently put into NSF a fairly large grant on behalf of ourselves and 17 other universities to try to continue this work in a larger scale than any one school could support it. So we're really hoping that that'll come through. But in the meantime, we'll continue to run the course as we have at JMU, and we'll be talking to interested freshmen about it very soon.